Are you struggling to choose the best protein powder? Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or simply boost your daily protein intake, finding the right fit is crucial. Let us explore the different types, main ingredients, and essential tips to help you find the right protein powder for your needs. Types of protein powders. Whey protein. Derived from milk during cheese production. Contains all essential amino acids, complete protein. Fast digesting. Ideal for post-workout recovery. Types include whey concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Casein protein. Also derived from milk. Slow digesting, providing a steady release of amino acids. Suitable for nighttime use or prolonged periods without food. Soy protein. Derived from soybeans. Complete protein with all essential amino acids. Good for vegans and those with dairy allergies. Contains phytoestrogens, which may affect hormone levels. Pea protein. Made from yellow split peas. High in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Hypoallergenic and easily digestible. Often combined with other plant proteins to enhance amino acid profile. Brown rice protein. Made from brown rice. Incomplete protein, often combined with other plant proteins. Easily digestible and hypoallergenic. Mixed plant protein. Blends of various plant sources, e.g., pea, hemp, quinoa, chia seeds. Designed to provide a complete amino acid profile. Suitable for vegans and those with allergies to specific proteins. Choosing the right protein powder. Dietary needs. Consider any dietary restrictions or allergies, e.g., vegan, lactose intolerance. Choose a protein powder that aligns with your nutritional goals. Protein content. Check the protein content per serving to ensure it meets your needs. Look for complete proteins or blends that provide all essential amino acids. Ingredients. Opt for protein powders with minimal and natural ingredients. Avoid those with artificial additives, sweeteners, or fillers. Brand reputation. Choose reputable brands with good reviews and third-party testing. Protein powders can be a valuable addition to your diet, helping you meet your protein needs conveniently. By understanding the different types of protein powders and considering your dietary requirements and preferences, you can choose the right protein powder to support your health and fitness goals. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.